Hey guys, we love these cauliflower crust pizzas from Aldi's. They are gluten-free and really tasty. I'm going to show you how to take this pizza, clean it up, and take it from 60 grams of protein to over 100. We're going to throw those pepperonis away. Get us a couple of chicken breasts, pound them, put some avocado oil on there, and then we're going to season them. Paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Turn your oven on to 400 and cook them for 20 minutes. Then dice them up, throw them on that pizza with some extra cheese, some barbecue sauce. Cook it at 425 for 9 minutes. And my friends, you just got a tasty pizza that's cleaner with more protein.